buddy. How's it going, dude? Hi there, hey.
Oh my God,
How's it going?
What are you doing?
Good, how you doing, buddy?
Oh my gosh, welcome back.
Thank you very much.
When'd you get in?
This morning, and boy, are my arms tired.
Dude, that's great.
Thank you.
Sick, what have you guys been doing?
Oh, we just hung out all day.
Ate a bunch of dirty burgers and smoked about a fucking pound of weed and played a bunch of video games.
Weed is tight, weed is tight. That's
It's
awesome.
awesome. Weed is awesome.
Smoke up blunt or some. Smoke up blunt or some. Smoke up blunt or smoke up blunt or smoke up blunt or some. Smoke up blunt or some. Smoke up blunt or some. Smoke up blunt or smoke up blunt or smoke up blunt or some. Smoke up blunt or some. Smoke up blunt or some.
Gacking up the yak like I'm allergic to cats. Cats with their backs up. Cats on that kitty crack. So what's the kibbles? Tell me what's the bits? Writers who sound illiterate, why should I give a shit? Fit many punning rhymes and similes, multi-syllables and silent soliloquies. Hegelians, big aliens. Where's my head wraps with brain freeze? No allergies, but I tend to make them sneeze. I'm Mr. Sniffles. I'm popping with the ladies. I'm Mr. Sniffles. Don't nobody hate me. And I'm back like the 80s. Mr. Sniffles. Life of the party. Call me to get it started. Never front for nothing cause it's not that smart. I like to get retarded. Open all night like the local Walmart. Never thought I forgot. I'm Mr. Sniffles.
Smoke up blunt or some. Smoke up blunt or some. Smoke up blunt or smoke up blunt or smoke up blunt or some.
And nigga, I don't choke, cause I never did. I've been smoking motherfucking weed since I was a kid. And nigga, I don't choke, cause I never did. I've been smoking motherfucking weed since I was a kid. And nigga, I don't choke, cause I never did. I've been smoking motherfucking
I'm Mr.
weed
Sniffles.
since I was a kid.
I don't take drugs, but I can tell that you do. Not my business, but my nose grows where my ball of blow goes, so who knows? You could jet set through a tube and shoot booze, cut salt trails and drip dye on your designer shoes. Go huff fumes, eye of the pea folder, pro circuit titty holder, potato shoot a pound of skeet, Beethoven symphonies with overtures of war. I'm Mr. Sniffles. Past the ritual makes me wonder what we're fighting for. If we could all just stick it out long enough, they'd all trip, thinking about the politics and bullshit that comes when you're this lit. And Mr. Sniffles comes with party guests in weird outfits who talk way too much about who to trust and who can't be touched. He shows up with a ball of gas fumes and shuts down the place with a ball to the face.
It's like the golfing sequence in Navy SEALs.
Sick reference though, bro.
Oh, thanks, bud.
Dude, your references are out of control. Everyone knows that.
Hey,
dude.
thanks, man.
I'm jealous.
Smoke up blunt or some. Smoke up blunt or some. Smoke up blunt or smoke up blunt or smoke up blunt or some.
And nigga, I don't choke, cause I never did. I've been smoking motherfucking weed since I was a kid. And nigga, I don't choke, cause I never did. I've been smoking motherfucking weed since I was a kid.
If we could all just stick it out long enough, they'd all trip, thinking about the politics and the bullshit that comes when you're this lit. And Mr. Sniffles comes with party guests in weird outfits who talk way too much about who to trust and who can't be touched.
Shows up late and shuts down the place with a ball of gas, fumes to the face.
Mr. Sniffles, way laid back like the 80s, rope chains and breaking circles, bringing you gifts like Christmas miracles, cookies and milk, and ropes made of silk. I'm too cold, motherfucker, I'm ill, I'm Mr. Sniffles.
Smoke a blunt or some. Smoke a blunt or smoke a blunt or smoke a blunt or some.
Nigga, I don't choke, cause I never did. I've been smoking motherfucking weed since I was a kid. And nigga, I don't choke, cause I never did. I've been smoking motherfucking weed since I was a kid. And nigga, I don't choke, cause I never did. I've been smoking motherfucking weed since I was a kid. And nigga, I don't choke, cause I never did. I've been smoking motherfucking.
I want you to know that I've smoked pot.